Kaizer Chiefs and head coach Nasruddin Nabi have mutually agreed to part ways with immediate effect, bringing an abrupt end to the Tunisians' tenure at Nacherena. The decision is understood to stem from complications around Nabi's CAF coaching qualifications, which would have prevented him from sitting on the bench during the club's inter-club fixtures this season. Chiefs are due to issue a formal statement. Nabi, who was appointed in July last year, delivered a long-awaited piece of silverware by guiding Amakosi to the Nedbank Cup, their first domestic trophy in more than a decade. However, his failure to secure a top 8 league finish left the club's hierarchy disappointed, and insiders suggest that trust between the two parties began to erode as early as the MCN 8 qualification setback. The latest licensing saga appears to have been the breaking point. Although Nabi holds a UEFA Pro license, CAF requires an equivalent certification for coaches to be eligible on the touchline during continental competitions. Chiefs, who qualified for the CAF Confederation Cup courtesy of their Nedbank Cup triumph, had expected Nabi to lead their long-awaited return to the African stage. Instead, the issue meant Nabi could not travel with the squad to Angola this weekend for their clash against Gabuskop, leaving the club in a precarious position ahead of their campaign. With both parties unable to reconcile the situation, Chiefs and Nabi have opted to go their separate ways, ending a partnership that began with promise but ultimately faltered under the weight of unfulfilled expectations and administrative hurdles. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.